Hello everyone, welcome back to Educlynk. So we are on the exercises under the chapter of Introduction to Indices. So the exercise one goes by simplify the following expression 3x to the negative 2 times x to the 5 all divided by 9x. So let's start in 3. Solution. We have like terms x, x and x. So what do we do first when we have like terms like this? We bring the like terms together. We have 3 over 9. Before simplifying, you bring the like terms together. 2 over 9 and that is times x to the power minus 2 dot x to the power 5 and divided by x. So that 3 is just for, okay, that 3 is just for x. The 3 is just for x, so you main type. 3x to the minus 2 dot x to the 5 all over 9x. That's going to be use this law to multiply this. How the answer. But here we cannot use this law actually because the base is not the same. Here we have 3x and here we have x. So how do we do? You just make the 3 to be outside on the x. Actually, q is already outside of the x. Dot x to the power 5. What is it going to be? This is going to be x to the power minus 2 plus 5. Which is equal to x to the power 3. Times this 3 is going to give x to the power 3x to the power 3. Which means 3x to the power 3. So I just do this x times x to the power negative 2 times x to the power 5, and I have x to the power negative 2 plus 5, which is x to the power 3. Just like this law says. Now since there was 3 here, I put the 3 here. So the base here is the same. These are the bases. This is what you should look at. What has the power? Is it the same? Yes, it is the same. So since it is the same, you can apply that first law. Okay, so that is what I'm going to have. Alright, but it's on top here. Also, it's up. You write divided by 9x. So here we can use quotient law. Here it is. If you have a same base with different power dividing each other, you write the base here to the power of the number of the power up minus the power down. So this is going to be all this q is divided by 9. It's 1 over 3 times x to the power 3 minus the power 1. Remember, when x has no power, it means to the power 1. So to have 1 over 3, I'll just say 3. 3 here cancels 1 time, 3 here cancels 3 times. 3 goes into 9 3 times. So I have 1 over 3. Now I do x to the power 3 divided by x to the power 1. It will give me x to the power 3 minus 1 as its law says. So what am I going to have? I'm going to have 1/3 x to the power 3 minus 1 is 2. And that is just it for the first exercise. So thanks for watching, and let's meet up on the second exercise.